Hello everyone. Welcome to the quick walkthrough of Orcasheets, world's fastest analytics engine on your PC. For this demo, we'll use stocks data to really showcase the enormity of data that this tool can handle. Now let's load the data first. Oh, like 12 million rows loaded within a second. Okay, now let's find out how many unique shares we are covering. For this, I'll use a chat query, get list of unique stocks. Okay, we got that result within a second. Now we are covering around 101 shares. Uh, Now let's try to focus on some medium value stocks by filtering the data. I want to focus on the data where close value is greater than 50 and the close value is less than 500. Nice. It's a pretty nifty feature where you can filter like 5 million rows within a second. Now let's create a new subset out of it. Um, this is another way of like exporting customized data set so that you can only focus on that subset and ask questions. Okay. Now, normally next question I would ask is stock with list average volume because I want to spend on something where volume is low and performance is good. So let's see. Results are ready. As you can see, like Berger Paint seems interesting. Now we can dive deeper into Berger Paint. Let's see. Uh, so for Berger Paint, we'll get the earliest open and the latest close per day and also per average volume per day. Here we go. So Berger Paint have attributes for performing good when volume is low. Looks like a upper circuit of behavior of penny stocks. Just kidding. To showcase other features, I'll quickly open another data set which has around 35 million rows. It's an anime data set where the anime data is rated against the scores. As you can see, we have loaded like 35 million rows. Now either you can perform macros to create a new column. So I'll just create a macro of substring on, let's say, username 1 5 as sub-user, and I'll hit control enter. As you can see, it has added new uh, column as sub-user, which is substring of username. Another feature that you would want is to do stats on the numeric columns. You can check the numeric columns. As you can see, the count of that column, minimum, maximum, and average and standard deviation. You can also do a pivot. Let's do a pivot, sum of score, group by, let's say, type, and pivot on column gender. As you can see, this pivot is ran on this whole data set of 35 million rows. We got that result in within a second. Now we have this pivot. You can also plot some charts. You can select type and look for this. As you can see, we have the chart here, right? And you can also look for the history. You can check what operations that you have performed so far. You have performed chat, you have performed macro, you have performed pivot, and you can also download these data sets, the result sets of the aggregations from here. I think that's it for the demo. Thank you.